Hey guys, welcome back to 1,000 Ways to Make Money with Satish. Well, Satish and sorry,
You forgot who he was.
and Nikesh here. So today we're gonna go ahead and talk about our fourth way to make money on this episode. So this is, you can make a lot of money with this. So here's how it works. So it's called repairing hail damages. So when there's hail, boom, 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 boom. People's car gets damaged, right? And they usually have insurance. So for example, a couple years ago, my car got damaged, and of course I have insurance, so I took it to the insurance people. They handed me a check for $2,000. It was a couple dents, right? So I thought, let me keep some of that money in my pocket, right? Instead of going to like a real car place, I looked around, I found this guy who did the same exact thing if I had gone to a store. If I had gone to the store, they would take all my money, plus even more.
Yeah, much more.
Much more. And, and I would end up with the same results. Instead, I went to Craigslist and found this guy who did the entire thing at my place. I didn't have to leave my car anywhere. He did it for $500. Guess where the $1,500 went? In my
pocket, right?
In my pocket, right there. In my pocket. So here's how you do this, okay? So he's gonna put the link somewhere on the bottom on description, and this is what the product is. So you can go to Amazon and find PDR. It's a you can use this kit to repair any kind of hail, even bad ones. So without even doing a lot of work, all you do is use this system. They'll provide you with the kit. Can you put a picture here?
Yes.
But the kit, and they'll provide you with instructions on how to repair hail damages. So you get that, you try it out, right? Then here's what you do. Whenever there's a hail, you go drive around and you stop by people's house, say, hey, can I fix that for you for $500?
Yep. And most people are willing to, because they know it costs like $3,000, $4,000
$4,000
if you take it to a body shop or something like that. So if you knock on their door and say, hey, I see you have hail damage, $500, I'll fix it right now.
Right now.
You don't have to worry about anything. They'll be like, here you go.
Here you go. You make that cash money instantly. So you can do this. And of course, this is like a seasonal kind of way making money.
Yes.
But keep in mind, guys, that having multiple stream of income is very, very important if you want to ever become rich. FYI, okay?
Yes.
If you want to become rich, you have to have multiple ways to make money. So this was it. So repairing dents and hail damages in your city or neighborhood, anywhere.
Yeah. So again, in the link, we're going to have a PDF that shows you, where you can go buy this thing for pretty much, I'd say dirt cheap, right?
It was $80 an hour when I looked on Amazon.
Yeah,
it's $80.
$100 and you make $500, you're already paying it off with the first job.
You're making a profit.
Exactly.
So you'll put the link and do it. And make sure, guys, to subscribe our newsletter, click that link, and make sure to share this video with your friends. You want rich friends? Share this video with your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.